I don't think people understand how crucial financial literacy is. Let's face it, times are tough. 62% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and 56% don't even have savings to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. While saving is crucial, sometimes you need to make more money. Period. That's where these incredible books come in. Think of them as your secret weapons to unlock financial freedom. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Kicking things off with a book that's close to my heart, Passive Income, Aggressive Retirement. Rachel Richards breaks down the often intimidating world of passive income into bite-sized, actionable steps. She dives deep into various passive income streams, from real estate investing to dividend stocks and online businesses. You'll learn how to identify the right opportunities for you and start building wealth, even with a small initial investment. This book is all about taking control of your financial future and achieving early retirement through passive income streams. Next up, we have The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. This book is all about building a solid financial foundation and automating your finances to build wealth effortlessly. Bach emphasizes paying yourself first and setting up automatic savings and investment plans. He provides a clear plan to get out of debt, manage your money, and achieve financial security. The Automatic Millionaire gives you the tools and strategies to run the marathon of building wealth efficiently. Ever wondered how millionaires actually live? Everyday Millionaires by Chris Hogan debunks the myths surrounding wealth. Based on a study of over 10,000 millionaires, Hogan unveils the secrets behind their success. They achieved financial success through hard work, discipline, and smart financial decisions. Everyday Millionaires is a powerful reminder that financial success is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort. Let's be honest, the world of finance can feel incredibly complex and overwhelming. That's where The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins comes in, presenting a straightforward approach to building wealth. Collins emphasizes low-cost index funds and a long-term buy-and-hold investment strategy. This book is a must-read for anyone looking for a no-nonsense guide to achieving financial independence. Now, for a classic that stood the test of time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki challenges traditional financial advice and emphasizes the importance of financial education. He shares lessons from his own father and his friend's father, highlighting the importance of acquiring income-generating assets. The core message of financial literacy and taking control of your financial future remains as relevant as ever. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi is a no-nonsense, actionable guide to mastering your personal finances. Sethi provides a 6-week program covering everything from negotiating your salary to investing like a pro. He debunks common financial myths and provides scripts and templates for immediate action. This book is perfect for millennials and young adults navigating personal finance. While not strictly a finance book, The Greatest Salesman in the World by Og Mandino offers profound life lessons. This inspirational tale follows Hafid, a poor camel boy who becomes the greatest salesman in the world. Mandino presents 10 ancient scrolls with timeless principles for success, such as embracing failure and living with purpose. By applying these principles, you can develop the mindset and habits necessary to achieve your financial goals. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind? The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss challenges conventional wisdom about work and life. Ferriss shares his experiences of building businesses that generate passive income, allowing him to work less and live more. While the 4-Hour Workweek might not be realistic for everyone, the book's core message of designing a life you love is universally applicable. How Rich People Think by Steve Siebold delves into the mindsets and beliefs that separate the wealthy from the rest. Based on interviews with over 1,200 of the world's wealthiest people, Siebold identifies key differences in their approach to money and life. He argues that wealth results from adopting specific beliefs and habits. By understanding and adopting these principles, you can start thinking and acting like the wealthy. Last but not least, we have The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This insightful book explores the often irrational ways we think about money and how our behavior can sabotage our financial well-being. Housel shares compelling stories to illustrate the importance of patience, humility, and long-term thinking. By understanding the psychology behind our financial decisions, we can make smarter choices for long-term wealth. So there you have it, our top 10 must-read books to make money in 2024. These books offer a wealth of knowledge and practical advice to help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Pick up one of these books and start reading. Until next time.